Right, today I'm going to show you how to remove a grip on a Martinez hammer. A couple of tools you need, a couple of screwdrivers, slotted or Phillips, dead blow hammer, and the Stanley blade. First things first, unscrew the screw. Just a little bit tight, you might need the other one on the other side. That'll be better this way. That one's underneath the handle, so just get a screwdriver out, pop it up. That's what it looks like. Then get the Stanley, cut down till you feel the titanium. It should just peel back. There you go. That's that one. Right, that's the old grip. New grip, make sure your divot is facing the claw, and then push it on. You hear those clicks, then you get your dead blow mallet. Well, I'll do it sideways, probably be right. There you go. Right, with the new pin, just separate it, put one through the larger piece and just make sure you just push it past the rubber like that, and then screw from the other side. Nice, that was a job, but it's done. There we go. New silver grip, polished titanium handle and head. It's the Tie 4.